Hi friends, today we're gonna make a slime with white glue. Let's start. First, we need to pour the white glue. And now let's put the activator. First, you have to pour a little bit of activator. And then you mix. Put some more activator. And then mix again. We need more activator. Put the color. Put the baby oil. All done. This is so soft and stretchy. You can add more color so you can make a better color. Thank you for watching. Bye. Whoa, cool. So subscribe to this.